One of my biggest fears when I started my business was that there would be too much competition. This should be expected because I started none other than a social media business. But the thing that set me apart and made me realize that I could actually succeed with a business that was extremely saturated and competitive was the fact that I was committed to this path. I saw that social media was the future, and I knew that if I wanted any involvement, any slice of the pie of the economic future, I had to understand social media. And what gave me a competitive advantage was that I started my marketing journey with social media first. And so, where a lot of my competitors started from traditional to digital and had to adapt, my strength came from starting with digital and adapting and learning and understanding the traditional methods of marketing. This, for me, was a lot easier because the biggest barrier of all, technology and digital, was already removed because I was so ingrained with social media as it was. And so, it's not necessarily about how much competition there exists in the world or how high the barriers to entry are. It's a matter of connecting to something that you feel so passionate about that you would literally do it for free and that you would never give up because doing anything else would feel out of alignment. And that, my friends, is the people who succeed. The people who choose a trade, a service, a product offering. They choose something that they love so much, that they believe in so badly, that they know that it doesn't matter how much competitions, how many limitations, how many obstacles are in their way. Their vision is so clear. What they want is so real that nothing will stop them. And so, if you're thinking about starting a business or you know someone that is, and their excuse is that there's too much competition, the likelihood of that being your ideal business is not very high. Because if that was your business, if that was really the thing you're meant to do, there would be nothing that would stop you from starting it. There would be nothing that would stop you from going all in and committing to it. Your connection to your purpose, your calling, the thing you want to do has to be so strong, has to be so clear that nothing, no competition, no time, no money will get in the way of you getting started on that journey. To learn more about starting a business, launching a business, and building a 7-figure business, hit the subscribe button, follow for more content, and let me know what you think.